ile bolo
Yes.
sele ba o heta
No.
di one notonyana
Kan the podcast देखिए वो हुआ मार
Color pusa, color pusa, color pusa, color pusa. Rebata hota na hopala, kanila bobangena ke bona ba lo hlamba kuni na butisa. Color pusa, rebata hota na hopala, kanila bobangena ke bona ba lo hlamba kuni na butisa.
Hello, hi guys, it's Bundenge say here. Come to podcast. We're back again. Remember, Austisity is Sly J. Next multimedia, work quality meets creativity. Wati, baba wana interview wa moto wa feme. Otoma fela bya. Aranyaka net fela so.
What the judge? This is your boy Chili Bad Pele Ntotse Monate.
Yeah.
Akazayele wana ngeza mali Bundenge esendenge daide.
Wai, taona kama mkomo.
Issue. Wirala.
Hey man, hey uhudile shema.
Hey man.
Wathi naku hithi mona se mosale pekeni ni vaya dlala majaiva kupala ku interview ko radio ngile overseas utlile ntato mara tatona kena na wisa overseas
Ke nne ke mang
ke mo lebetse ntato wa gitse ke mang ka re ke na sorry nyoko tsa tsila te ke lebeditse for interview kwa le o ntsenyana mo ya ana gorot maninyana ba ana maro ka rena jaban sedama for interview ko TUTFM o lebetse mara ne le overseas ya
ka e hopola mara
ka competition e mo ka re ke o wina mara overseas
akasa hopola ke dilele mara ke ya ka e hopola
no bula oh before we bula this episode is proudly sponsored by H2O. This episode proudly sponsored by H2O.
Point of correction, the ambassador of H2O is in the building. That's why you can see this.
Oh yes,
That's what it is, man.
Yeah, we're not telling it. Oh yeah, tell. And it's someone tell him nothing yana bianche. Oh, I saw always tell her gugutum. Same time, it's woman.
Oh, in a little that thing. I say I
want to tell her go tell her.
All the way from wait tell her lose him. I don't know hey what to
that's like a cuckoo. But that's like a cuckoo.
From Armenia. Exports.
Oh,
you know.
Okay,
you know what I'm saying, man, yeah?
Okay.
I see mo jogi lo seleta. Wantelo ayane.
Wena.
Udu karo no mezi mara si mezi, mara ke mezi. H2O. O tene skolo, we read history or science.
History mo H2O it's naka.
Ah, ke ke mo history fela or we read. Even we read history ro bele go side di. How we read science re kono botsa, o kono tlhaloganya re H2O.
Ke ditse tso.
Go ra ha. Ke mezi a mabedi. Ha. And then
also give me double. I'll do my boy.
Oh damn.
Emana, why do you can I let about the Inchibiama?
Emana, and Uru Damanos do like him. I wonder it, but it's fine.
Hey,
Domani.
No, Daman, no, as is Doman, or Garo Jaban.
Or Jaban.
Because competition, I get in it, I can take care of Yamara, not only we look competitive, I get to cook overseas. Yes. Osale slendanyana chem before bale matswelenyana ba lele botsananyana boy
yeah no aksa hopola wezi mara ke
wa bona re khalo le mo industry
mo se mo ke leng ke tsamali di domani lo no domani le ka mo ke di domani wa o re nwa dilo tsa di domani
wa itse motho
550
motho wa bobedi wa o ratha sekgwa wa itse motho mo o itseng classic are ke motsaka ngwanyano se le mo head so hana ka story ke re ngwanyano o editse Classic arawa o bone ba o tshwana le wena so wena ba nngwe re nna ke sedumane classic are all motho a ya mo etile go bone ba o tshwana pila le sa more
I was dumane I wanna Benz I wanna BMW are tlwele re tla bera o rekisa mo bathong ba o tlo re dirala relax
okay boy wait a re tlwele chili bite damn it
oh shit
she camera how boy introduce yourself to our viewers and your fans. Oba botsa gore man ke wa bona lela wena le green book when at least boy. Oba botselela ko green book lela.
Real names?
Yes.
Okay, ki Tumelo Nkumishe.
Camera yo bone na fat.
A imboni. Wa ke re nyone ba bone le diaparo. Le sa bone na diaparo as long as one chalwan.
Yeah.
So they must check everything. Check coast ma wana dimile.
Yeah.
So go for the best.
Can't stop my hustle. Oh.
One tlhaloganya ne?
Yeah.
Ya re tsene jo re ha file thata ke Pitori 012 re futhumetse mo stopong. A ke tsamaye ke le one wa itse ke tsamaya le mfana ka liquid metsi mfana o tshela metsi le semahlangene mbazo di bazonator isho.
Wena a ke re metsi o re tliseditseng metsi a monate a re yena ka tsona nya go tsena re nya go tla apere suit. So ke tla no motswalla and then tsatsi la tlang a tla apere suit.
No, you know it's levels man. You know every day we sleep tomorrow. So it is what it is man. O lapile mfana wa ka o manish.
Yeah.
Every day re robala ka o sane ju wa tlhaloganya
No, every day is every day. Ke tsaba botse re tshobla di brele ba bona every day is every day. Mara re tswetsa. Boy, bona. Are thome from the beginning ya go mathomong a go mathomong.
Oh, beningi.
Yeah. Wena wa tsena mola na go itse o bina fela. Before tlo nya go thoma tsa o pela. No, before tseo. Na go itse boy o sa bina.
From the
Yeah, o sa tsamma blind before bilo tlo go bana le less. Before that.
Oh, hey.
I wonder ke khale bjang.
A ke khale yo.
As lankane boy. So e thoma kae di then.
So this thing thomile ka morena Kgoshi Maloro Sinisha Pula Maumabi. Le ro thulila ntla. Mfana le na bina thata bine hore loto le khao ha le busetse. Yeah. On stage.
Yeah.
Live and direct. There's no competition le ngore ne ke sa wini. Everywhere mo ke tsenang ne ke bula sekhele ke tswalla. Heban morena. This thing bra. E tlhakhale gore go hopola na go ke thomo ba celebrity bjana. Let me tell you about this one.
Yeah.
So ne ke le go Sgila, I think I was in grade 11. And then okay, applied to the competition. I think it was Step Up or Step Out.
Yeah.
It was in 2010 or 2009, somewhere there. So when I go grade 11. So, let's apply about you need 2 or 3 members to be part of
this competition. Yeah.
I'm like, kiwane musmo. Ko hira bya. Ka tsena ba fana ba bamba go di TT ke so ba fana ba le ke ba khalabe no a ba sa le ding ba bamba na le malapa ba bamba malatlha a so I went to these 2 boys ka ba tsia ka re jo a re sa yeng re njozi krile confirmation ya di audition ya Step Up or Step Out o itse hiwa kae lo papa
training na go le sa le ke sa le 9396
95
na go le sa le e yellow ela bona ele na lumbu yellow
go tseiwa yona hiwa go o itse re ya ga na go sente
wena
train le staga re le halfway Oakmore di audition ga nako
wena
a ra follow tsena ba no hiwa di taxi from Tembisa sente
plus ke di next door ke re counter ke magotlo so da man na re taxi re ya da sharp ra fitla da re fitla re kra mona di group tse di tletse tsa bo Ramalatla bo Mamalatlha Tlhapi Majal Fufora hona mo re fitla kwa re bethe good as ne re betha re botsisa ke it was Carbonina Arthur and who's le o mongwe le go wa Afro ke metsi ke le colored or ke so Arthur says yes and then hotla Carbonina are why what do you expect me to say Rasbulele say are okay sharp out of 10 ona hanore go fe bokae kar 9 ara if you say 9 that means it's a no for me here we need people that goes 10 out of 10 wena so since that day I've learned in life put a rate yes whether you like it or not put yourself up there don't limit yourself even though you know you did something wrong or you are not right mara yes Skate nyenyefatsa, skate nyana. Never, ever. That's my advice also. Word of the day, Gajiku. Skate tia kotlas. Always put yourself up. No matter what you are doing,
le ko mojolong ska ipea go fatshe
Yeah.
le ko dibukeng ska ipea go fatshe music, dance, whatever that you do o ska te pea go fatshe ngwana go hae
Yeah.
kwa always. So after that we lost that competition. Really 2-0 and then 1 years from Arthur, shout out. And then Harifeta, why? That's when I became a real celebrity, you know. Go ETV, Beira. What is it? Advetegan.
When?
Hey, man.
No, it's man.
No, Nerjaiva, like, I get that episode in the written
Yeah.
like, never once her. Or yeah, or the hala ingi.
So I thought Vetega way.
Now go get was gila grade 11.
When?
School so every day bampon. Have I look over one hour level? We do not go TV. National impact it had. Like the SABC. It's all powerful. Unlike now, I get on the social media and what the Netflix, Showmax. Nearly powerful at that time. I sharp. Asho Koshimaloro. Snesha Pula, Wanisha. Yar grade 12. Awa. Kaya tao. Nunga ko pa na lebo tlhapi majal fufura. Iti matkakela. Man. Aso betana khut khanyo. Re ke ska ntsha diphiri too much.
No, that is.
Mo di ya hanyane fela.
That is.
Hanyane fela.
La betana ka dance for ka matso.
That dance. Everything was dance. So Kalama Jaiva ni ke yona e leng gore ne re groomer there.
Yeah, ya babana lady,
ya babana lady.
Yeah.
Re phela re bo boogeyman, ya tsolanya ba re shapetse dipina, ba re shapela di video. I don't know the videos le di guys. A ke di bone se le ka try di search le go YouTube a ke di bone.
Ya go boogeyman. Boogeyman ke.
Go boogeyman di teng.
Go class. Kwa go the end kwa.
Ne?
Yeah, na ro go shoot a ka tablet ya gimaela shooter ya. O tlo di ke re ya tsa khale khale.
Ke sure. Hona le album engwe se le ba entsha. Nelly dancers ta Kalama Jaiva.
Yeah, and I need to have them both more podcast they market like arrange.
Yeah. So that was then. So going forward, katlhakana le dinja tsa 012.
Yeah.
It was Liquid Matey, Lucky, Ray, Kwazi, Jabu. I think we met go Club Africa mara ke kopana le bona ba le thupe le Liquid le Lucky Bay.
Yeah.
Before ke tlo kopana le the whole squad, babo.
And
hore re tlhakane through dance.
Yeah.
Ba bethana mara Koshimaloro aba betha ba botle ba re mfana ira masepa ra onyaka. Sharp. Then I went there.
Koshimaloro ke ba dimba ha or ke ntho tsamang le yona.
Wa ke lo thodi ke motlase mo lotule.
Lotole.
Lotule mona le winner competition tse dintsi.
Wena Maloro coach.
Never lost. Not even one competition lost. This one Koshimaloro Sneshabula. Never lost.
Yeah.
Not even once.
Wena.
I tell you, it's the truth. That one.
Yeah.
Until the competition says we don't want this guy anymore.
Yeah.
You must take a gap for 3 years of not being part of this competition.
Yeah.
I think it was like that time it was Red Square dance competition.
Yeah, guy one, yeah.
So that thing you just tell you part of competition.
Yeah.
Ngwisa moya personally. Mara
yeah.
Karno fuck. Erege focus on something else.
Yeah.
Come dancing. I think I've done my work.
Yeah.
Then let me move. Then that's when he move. I didn't move. Co-fielding music straight.
Yeah.
Can move go the artisting. And then I started shooting music videos. Then I was hired by Molao from Open Mic. Molao wanted me to, like, all the artists that he's bringing, I had to choreograph for them.
Yes.
So those artists was like Mungo Africa, Mr. Brown, Bongo Beat, Cindy Swa, Tula Sizwe. And then they signed King Monada, they signed Makazi, Master KG, Zanda Zaguza, Prince Benza. And then I helped all of those artists, the music video, the dancers, performances, and everything. Like I was delegating, I was doing this and that and that and that. And then until Kim Mozagarejo, Why was I looking choreographed by Chili Bite Entertainment? And that's when he said, Urilengan, Arim. Can you go Luzanita? I can go
Yeah.
Are
When you go to Sipuro,
yeah, no, take me back.
Yeah.
I don't know. No, I think the damn game was gonna go shoot there Jerusalem, maybe.
Oh, Jerusalem, yeah.
Jerusalem, Benna boy, because of we are also the pioneers of Jerusalem.
Yeah, I know. That challenge,
that challenge, yeah. Yes. From we started it from outside before you can even come SA.
Yes.
Now who's a trender? Skeleton move. Skeleton move was trending in Nigeria.
Yeah.
Then that's when from Nigeria they told us, hey, bro, you guys gonna go to this place and this place. Then we went to those places for real. Like those things are connecting. It's like hey,
yeah.
If you go but hey, it Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
That's what happened that side. So it really immediately Tomari skeleton move. And then skeleton move introduced Jerusalem.
Yeah.
Then that was the end of everything, bruh. Like, or the beginning of everything. I get. So that's when, like, the fame and everything started to be hyped up. Then music. And then we met Tim Mosha, because Lebanon never open mic again. And then never two salgai choreography and everything.
Yeah.
And they liked like almost everyone will respond in Lebanon.
Yeah.
They
never first time.
Yeah, one talanya. By Radile appearance. Legam correspondang hospital.
Twins.
You get me, ne? Yeah. Shout out. Yeah. So we started King Munada, Rajai Valena.
Rajai Valena, Karakunubine.
Oh, Wabina.
Serious?
Snadana. So we started dancing with Snadana, and then we went to, and then they signed Master KG with dance with Master KG.
Yeah.
Then they signed Makazi with dance with Makazi, and then I think that was the beginning of Chili Bite Entertainment.
Yeah.
That's when I now started my own thing. I'm like, okay, sharp. This is how money is made. And then I've seen it, I've lived it, then I might as well do it.
Yeah.
Because of I was there. It's not like someone, you know, my when someone tells you, you've seen it, you know, Hengati amiti ga lokela gamu.
HTO.
Wantelo yane. And then ra kwabos.
Wena.
Ra mixele ice. Nana miti wa mixele miti.
Wena. So mixele miti ama 3. I'm different.
Hey bana.
Boy.
Damn it.
Ne taba ashi. Fine. Before ya go kola na nshine ko bona la maseke. O tlo thomile ndenge se ya hao.
Yeah.
Mara hanshine le traveler thata le Master KG ya overseas and stuff.
Muster.
Why did you stop?
How it happened? Okay. Agar na gol negi fees, I don't negil most of them.
Hidara.
So, clearly opportunities are buy.
Okay.
On the table. Learn negi say na nagi mutu nunguring. I always.
You always hustle.
Yeah. Kapusha. Lelo rigi twere something nunguring. So solid digam.
But
I would never be comfortable.
Yeah.
I always do something. Nunguring also.
Yeah, man.
Because of as a human. You need to have like multiple extreme of money. Don't be focused on one, because of if one breaks and then what's happening, you are left in the dark.
Yeah.
So while you push and then I was also doing the advert. I did advert for Edgar's. I did advert for DSTV. I did advert for Budweiser.
Yeah.
It's a thing already. Yeah. So Leon advert for you now. So it was, and that thing for Gigri. I was performing somewhere and then look hey, you guys are so amazing. I want you guys. Must be part of my agency. And then we went in. The part of the agency's name is King Clip. King Clip, King Clip Agency.
Yeah.
So I was part of that. Search it, guys. They are good. Some of the people go Scheme Sami, they are part of that. Generations are part of that. Movango, part of that. King Clip. King Clip, yeah.
Agents.
The agents.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was part of that agency. You help Bagari, DSTV work, Edgar's, like this panel buyers the advert.
Yeah.
So yeah. So immediately kids Nagwa. Then they went crazy. Who are these boys? So less. So who are these boys? No, not even me and less only. And yellow bow. Yeah, it's a white guy from the
Marobolela
Tosa.
Yes.
Yeah, so Maralena and Lena Okuno Jaiva also Okuno Jaiva Jaiviare.
And Warwana. Ratorwana, that boy.
Yeah, so it's fine. So that guy Olomo is not impressed, and then was panel na sharp, sorry the Spanish also. Fail out of the Spanish, left and right, the Spanish, come. And then after that, what? Oh, as I told you, Nagamutulung na I'm a go-getter. If you look at one opportunity, then Gavana Ane Emma Bargi Dodo, sister Dodo. Shout out to you, sisters. So that sister, the promotion is I think it was Aromet.
Yeah,
Aromet. Yeah, it was Aromet. So it was Aromet. Not even the promotion is that they go semi-max. Daga Malaga, sisters, not a chili bed entertainment. They Rebecca Luther solo. So are serious, yeah. Aramponse. Saying what a better, I'm impressed. So man. Rebecca di Tozeri in Zamata, Radi Josie, Radi KZN, Radi Limpopo. That's one like, barging, what can baby zang? The idea of Toratora, man. Baby zang, learn how to bully.
Well,
listen to who.
We're not dating your Toratora.
Toratora, can never read a can I be done?
What's a mazama? Riba Toratora with that.
Can I be done? Guys, I little or a little don't go.
Cause let us need tourist stagger.
Kadala, guys, I little don't go, but that's why you shoot.
We live it.
Road shows.
Oh, road shows.
Yeah, guys, what the?
Yeah, road shows. Yeah.
So the ready road shows, some SA, like the 9 provinces.
Yeah.
And then from that road shows, then the Rilaga and then we managed to get a deal at McDonald's. We managed to get a deal at Norox. We managed to get a deal at, I think it was 5 deals, but I didn't really in that time. Too much.
Yeah.
And then from there we started. I don't know which song. Home Alone.
Okay.
So that's when we went to studio now, because of now. Leave at Vale Badilozele, Panyagadi advert. It's a brand. So Mari, we don't have to go far. So Kaunulena since well around. I don't know Spanang Honamu, or no one tan or and that's when we started. We did a song, me and Les Mashanyin and the Reaper, but I get a baby, I'm home alone. Ki wane gondlung, but a baby, I'm home alone. Mama get copis competo tiki strong.
Home Alone, okay?
Yeah, I mean, we're good at it. I was a regafezang maho, never to the book, because of the elevation Zaga 5.
And Home Alone, I had la fair lager. Kai to Home Alone, I get a Nago next let it sit and get the pusher sele, Katisa, Baleva Naval. I remember Bushidium music video what day. Home Alone, I was there. Huh?
Amen. Oh, you were one level Jekonga, level Timo,
yes. Lema Jitalago, a bargain Trovela FM.
Trovela FM was there. Ebra like Man, the love was real, bro.
Yeah, I remember.
And so you like, yo. After that, Home Alone, no hatra. Bobstar, chili. What means the Bobstar? Atlar, chili. Fanaga wa fisa. Mara no, ki tshwere mfano mongwa ga ba re ke visa. What means the visa? Olwa tim isi go. Are jo kenya o spana le mfano mo thuse ka performance.
Yeah.
Man. Aso ya Mozambique ra betha. Ara wena jo rotse ya wena pila.
Yeah.
Ra tsamara ya Northern Cape ga betha le ena hape. Man. I know Bobstar Shifalo Raju. Are spana ke tswira hetseng mole. I think I lost contact or phone ka sele ya email or ira hetseng. That's how the relationship ended. Like Libo Bees, Libo Bob.
Yeah.
And then until we meet again, happy Katakana na happy Hutman. Chili Baba. At at least Hurutman was some hopola.
Yeah.
I get solo. Ara serious asawara. I'm fadi Kigiana Zepedi. I'm fadi interview go Metro FM. Na pusha on Talan. But then no. Shout out to my Hurutman's Babu Tebelung mo industry but it's about push it so
yeah,
so sometimes it's not even about about it's about the energy that you give the energy that you give is the energy that you're gonna get
yeah.
So lwena ga osane o le ramalatha or o le tlhapi majalo fufura mama latha kai le mang njani le bo mang
yeah,
just listen to the Grootmans because of they've been there.
They know.
They passed that route. You're trying to
yeah.
So shout out.
And again to Naravala Kayona, Lane Auti, Fan May, Nigam interview our nam. Or there's nothing wrong, or learn from Batubay or Bafiti leader because banale, I mean, Motswadi had to mahudi someone. Some of the things say longore or advise someone or Kalamanwana Katsona, get experiences say longore or be letona. And when I let say longor or fitile Motsona, Anyako one I afeta Moto. If never Pilava Metadi one note, Anyako one apple of 21 note. You get what I'm saying? If, for example, okay, because go on a longer veil, it will be too much. I understand. So you need to understand and learn from batho ba ilong hore ba itse tla botsa a re tsamaile ra itse tsela e ngwana ka ba tlo tlhauna ba o latlhelako wa tlhalwanya ra
amen.
So it's good ashiwe tabatho. So how did Pitori ke lefatshe come about?
Yo Pitori ke lefatshe joda ka lewatle e ba re pheli mamelodi Sosha Rangua le Bobo le Skrala.
Yeah.
Enarewete, machomi narewete. Guys, Pitori le fatshe.
Ve.
O thampu malanga KZN Northwest. Eba nisinze batho Pitori.
Yeah.
And irile batho hape.
Yeah.
So it depends on you or wena. What's your vision? What's your mission? If you don't have those things, then you are lost. And then you're going to get lost inside. Masterit kita wa bona ngatletse kwa bo a lost tro. Batlile mo personal vision le mission, wa tlhalwanya.
Yeah.
But if only they had their visions and missions, ne ba tlo fitla ba ireng to ba irang ba fokof.
Yeah.
Or ba nne if lo ba nna.
Yeah.
Then ba ireng to leng gore ba ira, wa tlhalwanya. But then if you don't have that, o mo flopo because of Pitori ina le everything. Like everything.
Yeah.
Like your soulmate is here. Your money is here.
Yeah.
Your businesses are here. Your homes are here. Everything, bruh. Like the whole package. So it just needs you to focus and then do your best, bruh.
Yeah.
And then sorry, your best if Luri Aira Halgaji. Everyone will give up. Just keep on going. Your best will like your reward will always come.
Yeah.
Keep pushing, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. Pitori ke lefatshe, shota ka lewatle. That's where it comes from. Until even like my R5, you know, my lord.
Yeah, man.
May his soul rest in peace, bro.
Yeah, man.
So my R5, I started hosting events. Now go asa rekisa kwa. Go shoes tavern.
Yeah, go Brian High.
Yeah, go. I don't keep I don't even know. Kangela.
Yeah, the late
Nani said.
Yeah.
Nani said I get kona giding kachi kukawen.
Yeah.
So we used to host na labor for tubaka. Nige like ndo hosting ke tlhalona from Fantuka ntlhalona.
Yeah.
So nenge hosta dago Shuzi or hosta dilo tsa o jive. No, nese dilo tsa di artists tsa di nele dance.
Yeah.
Strictly dance, no jive-iwa. Re ra entrance 20 rand 10 randa re ra zaga rena re sa iya re utlwa monate R5 yena na tla Jodi ntshamo we le monate da a re tlhokomela irang. I think he was a bartender or something that time. Yeah, and then hentse re hola nna ke sele ka zaya ka ya town ke tsere ke botlhapi majalo fufura bangisa ka motorobong ra broma ka mo town and then kasi ne sele ke tla too much.
Yeah.
So mara that time R5 na go nna ke le ko town na dominate too much
ka mo
guys because of na go le di social di what
kana batho mo fisa
afisa too much. And then R5 because of I would say this hore he was a person who he was looking up to me literally, not as a whole but that little thing I warning munna na I won because of every song in ngore ne ke ira na itse ya ira ka Bacardi. That's why I ended up saying, hey let me just go to R5 kra jo Arspan jo I see you wa bereka already then na tlo botsa actually ba to amiti actually ba to Span amiti on tlhalanya because of ungiti from nakwela ke thomile nakwela ya di dance ele so ha re chili ba to Span ka midi a bolele ka lunguri nakwe
no
o bolela from the time nakwe na sa Span as a bartender asale ko tlaponya angela hai wa tlhalanya because nigga who's that invented that and then now always mo ke hostang ke na lucia nyane jo tshwaranyana so so that's why he would always appreciate me because of lena nanshebela wa tlhalanya from that surrounding ga khona mpotso jo tshwara zaka o pila o kana re le chelete maybe go KD a re jo tshwara zaka o pila or tlise mo mamang ai ke mo fa yona a ise kwa o tla o fa yona o le kwa then le high like kilo tse ngore nna ntsa mpotsa tsona like nna ka line ya ka straight like nna mo 8 mara ho feta patches straight o tshela strata ke ka line ya ka ke mo ne ke bloma so like ne really
more like kelwane
kelwane ne se far from each other so shout out to R5 one more time ajo always that's why I get it Lamizi we betle remake ya teng ya Bacardi
Lamizi
and then Pitori ke lefatshe na e betha
like a mic
because of the first Pitori ke lefatshe e tswileng ne le ya Melo and Sleazy
I remember
and MJ and Soul Revolver Biza Tlogimesh Hope Ramafalo so we were 6 on the song Nelia piano I also called him because of
video I remember
video pele before we can actually make the remake Pitori ke lefatshe for Bacardi Nelia piano pele so that's when I called him ajo e tla da o tlo betha intro nyane nngwe ya matla a tla e betha bana ba mma Pitori ke lefatshe shota ka lewatle if you can go even now and check out the music video it's still there like shout out to R5 man like I know hore ngebe lemo ngebe ke se monna ngebe ke ste mo podcasting ngebe ke sa krahale ngebe ke le kae le mo mamang njani because of R5 was pushing the Bacardi culture was going there nana le that thing ile ya unite the artist so he was loving and caring shout out man I'm R5 Mari, you know, Lord.
I know, all the time.
All the time,
all the time.
You know, like these school tours and the leader, you were there. The shows still were there. You were there. The socials, so yeah. So that's the culture. I mean, shout out to you one more time, my Lord.
How are you doing, Shombe?
I saw you, I get H2O.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I get Talohanya that way. So boy now o na le ndenge se ya hao ke a bona bile le no bethile le ke PC tsa teng fast forward ya ke because taba tse ke tse dintsi so ka fast forward banong le kombo kopana le lona ka jiki shifa banong wena sentse o khona manager di artist tsa le kombo o kopana ka le bo shebeshidi o etsalang we
yo mona Africa sweet wena mona wa nyekere sweet man
no rafe
ya be bona le tori tse ke tse dintsi
a bona ke betha ka di fast forward
o sa di bisector ene ke zore le ke 9 mara
a e etse go 8 and then 9 e tla ba e re fetso shoot
ne okay bona he so since I had the love for Limpopo and then I'm from Pretoria.
Yeah.
So then I had this idea where, hey, sharp, let me just bring them together in one because of this. It's what made me. It's where I'm from.
Yeah.
So ke mixa ntho le ngoreng ingirile le ngoreng ke tlhago yona. Ka tsia ke isa go one. So then I started naming an event Bariki 012 visit 015. Ke studied le Risk Terminator.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we started hosting Go Europa. Yeah, so that's when we discovered Shebeshed. Shebeshed, niggas panale KG at that time also. I get a blog was a Nagarador Gespanagamo, Kinnefelagam, Gespanagamo, Gespanalagamo, Gespanalagam. That's what I do. That's me.
Yes.
I can multitask. So, yeah. So the time Gespanale Master KG. Go back to the Maringi T-Bank.
Before we are copele. We say when you can what?
Multitask.
So kono spanega mola spanega legan
5 star.
Yeah. So blind nigga died
5 star mugiloza.
The relationship or the multitask?
More I give you.
Oh, okay. Nigga relukise mo
more I minus me.
Okay. All right. They are continue.
Yeah. So na go re lo spana le KG re le go Limpopo ra tlhakana le damano mo ne le promoter ba re ke T-Banks
yeah
are ejo chili ke tsere mfana mo ba re ke shebe ke mango ra jo re go fe number ha yo bolele na ke ena tshwereng no so mo Limpopo ka mo sisi go pila go le bua khomo ke ena tshwereng ka sele ya ka ile damano na tlha go le bua khomo
yeah
so ka re sha ba ena flop mfe number Kamutswara eju rawnya ka Pitori ka dikana tlahella shapa dra boss wa ga ke yona ke stele ke tla tsena jo wa tseba keng and like re go kwesedilo tse ke di betha ona mole ba bena o sa mpethela record no
yeah
ke mabena ke mpya officer Imane, rezingi kona ke mo texta no so already.
Yeah, since now shapa ka dilo tsa teng.
Di maro hafa.
Yeah.
Ra ka mtlisa definitely. Ke re jo benong o tshesa mo gaida. Ra wena boss wa ka mputse o rona le bokae da.
Yeah.
Nga fitla mo.
Yeah.
Ke ra ke tsere 3K. Ara u 3K jo at least ni ra 4. Ke ra 4. Sharp, I no flow. Yeah. So ka mo theusa vele.
Yeah.
Kamo Pitori, Europe. Literally, I'm the first person who get to Mabena, Kamara Pitori.
Yeah, man.
I'm not sure game or homofi.
Yeah.
But then that show Ellen gave it has 1 2 0 5 and they gave it. Mara igrile momentum immediately get to Mabena.
Yeah.
Because no, they get Mabena. Igrile momentum, Kitisa. I was supposed to bring Mfanomargil Lil Mary. And then Bamu Kawati like it. Yeah. Lena Nelly to another Nelly Kenyan as a thousand leboshe.
Oh, yeah.
Bumanizu, Mama. My bed company. Before Shave, it was that boy first, and then Nasa just still again Risk Terminator, his skis. Those skills said, hey, boy, chili. So Mfanomargi Lil Mary over Betatavadin, his office. Get a sharp Armoteus. Ka they didn't bugileng. I caught that before I think that we.
Flip.
Now it's in the check or ribbon. Yeah. And then that's when we bought share. Marara is a Chevrolet one. There is still a bed company.
Okay. Yeah.
Bed company nearly group ya Lil Mary. If it leads. Mar Lil Mary nanali brand the high alwan goal side.
Okay. Yeah.
So Rebatitse ba bot etsa dile le go Europa zanga wa tlala ka mokhole di manager di thabile di waiter di thabile di kile di tipisa di 10 hour
wena
hey man, ile party, they live my 50K. Mara from that 50K, ara jealousy because of end of the day. The artists in the badly we few transport or because there is a lot of artists that time.
Yeah.
We wanted to make that show
successful.
And it was successful. We made money, but that money I felt like more.
Let's go.
If let's go the artist. Receive my 2K imagine.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I know it's fine. We did another one over and over. Then that's when that was the rise of Shebe Shit. Like from this side.
Yeah.
So that's when actually everything started to happen. Kamuisa Universal, Pamujuda, Mardilia Siona, like there was a lot of stuff. So Mara Azanga Yodita, no one another Bayagi, I got to do too much. So can we fail like because of that time I was busy like about million sleeves because of Negas Panalawan. I never salagon Nagosani side. That's where you will find out about the midnight. They have 2-3 albums. Again, midnight sessions in Sunnyside.
Yeah.
Midnight in Sunnyside. I'm not sure. Midnight sessions in Sunnyside or midnight in Sunnyside. Mara, those albums they did it when they were there by my place, Sunnyside. So we're gonna push a level and everything. So I get loads of bad. That's like for a regular revisa podcast or revisa documentary.
All right, so kopana ka le ntado Barangeslay.
Multimedia worldwide, Sly J. Every day, all day, why is Sly J? I'm gonna get for a muru, then you will like Sly J.
And pela botomilo vina go ena mo di video tse di shootang o sale mtse repa wena le
no, that one I say hobula.
Also bola na Eslanka.
I don't wanna lie how I met Sly. Mara ke mokobanle na nignale na lega ji.
Yeah.
Mara re kopane ya ke sa bola. Oh time.
Evan, shebe. All right. So bilo ka ro manager nyana bjana.
Ke ma jo ko ke tsere ke moroto ko pera re khate.
2,000 years later.
Papa o rutilo shabo grand Michael grand ne.
Yeah.
Re kana ra kharela no ra itswala ra
Shabo wena.
No na ke mnati.
Ke ma tsela o botsa bjao. Wona motho sela o botsa
ka motho wa ka.
Sela o botsa tsona tso.
Yeah.
Ban ra moleke mal lebitso le ke la ke ma.
Lebitso la motho wa ka. O isa ka lebitso la motho wa ka. O isa ka lebitso la motho wa ka wena. Ya mona ke o di sitse ke na le bana mona le bitso a tsaka motho ka le bitso e bile mona.
Damn it. Oh, I refute.
No, wa itse o nkhatlelang re o tlapila bjanong o nkisa go ne ke ntse ke nya go ya go teng here fetso bolela ka taba tsa hao tsa professional and stuff. Boy. Ke metso fetso tsa samolomo because karabo e nyaka o feditse tsa samolomo focus itse o ntebeletse reaction ya mathomo ke yona e leng hore e tlobolela. Okay, and then o tse thabo we bega. We bile go roma it's fine. O tata le 4, okay. Sharp. Bano o itse o tata 4 bana o itse ke change question a ke etsa maisana ne mara o itse ke change boy. Sele ba o heta ka ngwanya.
Man. Guys, artswane ka re wena o fitile mo o ibutsela na re fitile. Ndengetse.
Ndengetse. Natatile 4. Natatile 4, right? Karno comfortable, all right. The question is yo tlapila and e nyaka 4 vele.
Ke tatile 4.
Ke itse ke fetso butsa question
atatola.
Agir.
Because o butsa question ena tse ding tse snack.
Araba question bafana.
E ring question. Ke ka shoto hape question. E butsa hape ke khone araba ka matla.
Okay. Ere ke butse hape pila no o tatolotse 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
H2O.
Yes. Ere ambassador. No, ebe so e bonala bafana man. No pendula le dindenge. No, wena wa raba question ene nna ke tla lokisa mo. Ke re sele ba wa hera na. Sele wa hera ke ngwanyana.
No.
Ay, manjana guys. Le bone hore answera ela. It happened ladies and what to convince her no. This has never happened to me.
Mario ngabeleza.
Let's focus
Why was
here.
a movie kan? Why was a movie?
No, akenya go move. Akenya go move ke sale mo.
Ora wa ngabeleza.
No, o tlile ha ka jo. Mebla.
Then why umposter?
A go foster ke o butsisa.
Eh,
Bolela nnete mo pela modimo mafrafesa zange ba o het. Wena zange o het.
No.
Ke ara de ya level camera ka te. Okay. Okay, another one. Oscar Wisa Glass. Wa John.
No.
Hauna motho.
No.
So available.
No.
So how jolly.
No.
How available.
Yes.
Seleba o heta.
No.
Di one notonyana.
Kan de podcast deh ya udah makan. Ay, lalu bisa lu makan. Fire in the name of Jesus. I pray, Lord Almighty.
You pray what?
I take back the fire. Fire.
Okay, sharp. Ne, aye. O don't you say the question is ka wa raba ka mkhotlo yo botsanga teng. It's fine. I na flop. Future plans, boy. Bare you can predict or lang tomorrow, but that doesn't stop you from planning.
Yes.
Or tomorrow will later eng. But your future plans. Oscar Villa too much. I got to dia utso dilo tse dingwe.
Yeah.
They will steal, Papa. They will steal.
Hey, they will steal.
So give out, but not a lot. Mbichana nyana fela ilongoro wa itso ribile vele high. By expect ebile e ba kana ba itse ga yona.
Future plans
Like what events we are na lo yana tsebe yawo.
Future plans is that we're gonna run this industry.
Yeah, man.
That's the future plans. Just
Sorry?
keep that in mind.
Yeah, man. Ben propaganda
from the head to the top to the top to the head.
Yeah, propaganda ko ska bona no pusha le go teng.
Kanda ma iyo inzimbi zabelu kanda. Just like that.
Oh, okay. No. No, I na flop. Viewers, I think there's someone out there, young or old, o feel hore yena o khono bina, o feel hore yena ka tsena mo entertainment industry, o feel hore yena o na le talente, o mong vele o na le talent, you know, o mong hana yona. O mong o na le yona hana support. O na le mong o nyaka lo give up, you know. But ha lebeletse podcast ba no lebeletse motho o tshwana le wena le ngore o thomile from ko tlase that's why bina go strateng. And a whole as chole abina fela thoma tsena le mo businessing, you know, understand the business side of entertainment, because that is very important to understand the business side of this entertainment industry, you know. So when now you've mastered that, you know, how can you advise a person who's watching o long hore le eno nya go dumbela mara o struggle mola le mola?
The first thing I'm gonna say is that don't stop.
Mm-hmm.
No matter what it takes, don't stop.
Mm-hmm.
Don't stop. Keep going. You're gonna fail. Maybe you can fail 100 times, but then what is important is that don't stop. Keep going every day, all day.
Yeah.
Every day we sleep tomorrow because we don't stop because of we want whatever that we want. Even me, I'm not stopping. I'm still going. So we're now man, from whatever that you are starting from, or wherever that you are starting from, then you want to stop. Keep going. Keep pushing. Shut up.
Thank you, boy. last one, we close. As South Africans, especially black people, we're facing so many challenges in life. You know, we have women abuse, and then men abuse, child abuse, rate ya crime is high, nyanyaza leona it's high. So for you as an artist, obviously you know some, but you know challenges they already face it. You know, for you it deep too much and it hurts you. And then if you get a chance, you'll never know. If you get a chance on my president for South Africa just for a week, more on a challenge bigger than all these challenges.
I think I would change equality.
Yeah.
Like the way people treat each other.
Yeah.
And that thing, it comes from Koba Tswadini.
Sorry, yeah.
Koba Nengi.
Yeah, man.
So the only way you treat this thing or sharp for everyone. Respect equally. No matter or munyani or
Umuholo. Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, we're living in a environment along I can be wrong.
Yes, hey, true that.
You get me, ne?
Yeah, man.
So we must just work with each other because of they are different. Now everything is technology.
Yeah.
Technology is given. Mahawa TV technology and what. But then what's about knowledge from starting. So knowledge high, knowledge how. Harika Kopana. They could make something big. So what I'm saying is that let's collaborate. Whatever that you do, and whoever that you are, and wherever that you are, and whatever that you are doing, collaborate. It doesn't matter. That's why yes, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Because so so imagine when guys are doing midline, let's collaborate, partnership, friendship. Like let's be together, guys. Because alone you are nothing. Together we are more. Umuntu ngabantu. That's what I'm saying. Thank you. Kamatu or this Kamtula or this Kakeka or Kabura or the way.
Before Roa, my boy, I believe we're still taking bookings, whether for collaboration, or anything. You know what about social media?
ChiliBite_012 all over.
All over the Fatijigelele.
All over, everywhere. YouTube, Spotify, what. ChiliBite012. Guys. ChiliBite, go Spotify.
Yeah.
ChiliBite, go iTunes. ChiliBite, go YouTube. And then social media, it's ChiliBite_012. All the social media from like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok is ChiliBite_012.
You are a moving business, agar. Or mobile, agar.
Always.
And ka record ya how. It's very simple. Moto haya ko Google. I spell up pila are ChiliBite.
Yeah, ChILLIBITE.
Yes. So you must all your social media. So for you, it's simple for you. And I go
guys,
Google.
Don't bother you.
Google. Guys,
don't bother. Getting all over, guys. Like I've
ke
traveled
sa nako ela o na le di-dreads le meriri
yeah, I can organize it. Mara o tlo mpona guys. Like guys, o ka se palle ke nna like
yeah
like o tlo mpona guys. La mbona no again. And then le leng sesha le tlo mpona. Lo nyaka di-deals ka di teng all over social media, iTunes, Spotify, wherever social media platform, DSPs. I'm there, guys, all over. Shout out Chili Bite 012, Chili Bite Entertainment. From now to the other level. This.
No, before tshwara ke 69 VA boy, re tswalle your last words to your fans and our viewers. Re tswalle, what can you say? Your last words, and then re go.
My last words is that motho ke motho ka batho. Guys, o ka se phele le one. O ra wena o le one ba o khilletse go okay, toronko for example, nana ba o khilletse le go o ra ro monate go alla ba bantši. So the reason why ba lla go reng a bana batho ba bona.
Yeah.
So respect motho ya le ena ka tšeko so that dilo tsa di khono tsa mapila. That's why ba re motho ke motho ka batho. Kopela o be motho guys. Lena ba o phela matšhila. Le tlo nyela check.
o ya kae
Mara ke reverise.
No, mara sonte re tswalle official.
Oh, official.
Yeah.
Official nna dilo tsa teng. Nna ke re ke tswalletse ka mkhulu.
No, ai tswalle ko wena.
Tswalla ko wena.
Oh, no go boletse le tlhapa o tswalletse ai relax. O tswalla boy, re tswalle. But no, thank you so much boy for coming. Thank you so much for coming. Keep on pushing. Don't stop. You've been doing this for many years, boy. You know, so don't stop. Keep on pushing, and may God open more bigger doors for you. And don't allow any negative energy. You pull it down, no boy. So keep on pushing. We're here. We see you, and we appreciate Spanish Sahao, boy. Thank you so much. The next time, via Herovit. Come to podcast. Remember, stay like next multimedia where quality meets creativity. Spoon dengese. Hopola ko frostana blind, but remember, Murimo or Ratafeta Catella Nakoratanga. Narcopa next time. Oh yeah.